Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. If you're on your Mac and of course you're getting time limit warnings that you have reached your limit on whatever app, in this case I'm using iMovie as the example. It doesn't have to be iMovie, it could be a game, it could be any of the apps that's possible to install on your device. I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Alright, so this is a limiter in terms of screen time limits. Usually we use it for children in terms of the control how long they can use a particular app. It's a part of the screen time or parental control. You could also use it to limit your apps such as social media or a particular app that you think you're using too much that you want to actually stop using in terms of reducing the amount of time that you spent. You could hit OK and of course it will close the app, or you could say ignore limit. Once you say ignore limit, you could say remind me again in 15 minutes, ignore limit for today, or of course what could happen is that you could go cancel, but it will keep coming back daily, especially if it's a short time. So I'm going to show you to remove it. So of course you could use that route of adding more time, but of course to remove it completely, we're going to hit OK. And of course the app will be grayed out. Notice it says iMovie Time Limit or whatever app you have. Now from here, you go to the left side, you're going to click on the Apple logo, go to System Settings. All right, give it a second or a few seconds. I do not know, it didn't have open now, so let me do it again. Go to System Settings. All right, I think that's because it's already open. So of course it was already open in the background. You might be somewhere else, so go here and you're going to search for screen time. Tap on screen time. Next you're going to search for app limits, so go ahead and tap on app limits and you're going to search for the app. It might say iMovie or the name of your app, or it might say it's blocking social media, games, or productivity apps, or whatever it is. As long as there's one on, sometimes you can expand or you can edit and see if it's a category, what's involved. Then of course in this case, just turn off all of them or turn off the app limits option. In this case, it doesn't require a password or anything. So of course, if you look here, notice iMovies is back. And if I launch iMovies is back up and everything is working in this case as it was iMovie that was being blocked. All right, so that's it basically as how to do this on your MacBook. So hope this was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.